morning, everybody. We are at Walmart and we are ready to do some shopping. Now there is the, I can't remember what bonus it's called, but I need 23 rebates to get that $10 bonus. Challenge accepted. And then I also need 15 rebates to get a $5 weekend warrior bonus. So we're gonna do that. As you see, I'm shopping with the little one, so it's gonna be a while we're shopping here. I'm gonna go back to my old ways. Like I said, I'm just having problems with memory on my phone, and I can't constantly keep saving stuff on my phone. Like when I take pictures, I have to like delete a bunch just to take more pictures. So that's what's going on, because they want me to pay for my pictures. So that's what's going on right now, but I'm gonna go inside, do some shopping, and let's go have some fun. We're gonna do the Kotex liners for $2.97. We do have a $1 off printable coupon that's available on coupons.com. You end up paying just $1.97, but there is a 50-cent rebate when you purchase one, and you also get a $2 bonus when you purchase it also, so you actually get $2.50 back with buying this. So your grand total comes out to be a 53-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Kotex, or the Always Z for $3.97. We do have a $1 off coupon, but those are for the 4 count and above, but we're doing the 3 count. So you're gonna end up paying $3.97, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.97, which is an okay deal if you wanted to go and do that. And do the Kotex body wash for $3.43. We do have a $1 off insert coupon that we got from this past weekend. You're gonna end up paying just $2.43, but there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta when you purchase one. Your final total just comes out to be just 93 cents for a bottle. I'm doing the CoverGirl eye pencil for $4.44. I'll be using a $2 off insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You end up paying just $2.44, but there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 44 cents. We're gonna do the CoverGirl for $5.93. There is a $2 off insert coupon that you guys can use. Now there is $3 off ones, but it's for these. So we're gonna do this and use the $2 off coupon. You'll pay $3.94, but there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, so your total just comes out to be just $1.94. Here we have the Nivea breathable products for $5.84. Now there is some insert coupons, but I didn't get any, so I am using a $2 off printable coupon that is from coupons.com that I don't think is available anymore. So you're gonna end up just paying $3.84, but my phone just disappeared. But there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 84 cents is your final price, which is a pretty decent deal. Here we have the Febreze in-wash odor eliminator for $8.84. My store has $2 off hang tag coupons, but you can actually print off a $3 off printable coupon from the Febreze in-wash website. So you end up just paying $5.84, but there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $3.84. This is actually a pretty good product, especially if you need to get rid of some stink in certain clothes. This actually works pretty good, and you add it with your regular laundry detergent. Here we have the Kill Clip for $2.48. You'd pay $2.48 for it, but there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.48 with a limit of 5. Here we have the Quaker Oats cup for $1.18. You'd pay $1.18 for it, but there is a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making your final price for this just 83 cents. Here we have the Cheetos macaroni and cheese and the Cheetos cups. You're going to use a $1 off a 2 insert coupon. I had problems with this last time, so I'm hoping it works this time. But you're going to end up just paying 92 cents. But there's 2 different rebates with Ibotta for 30 cents, one for the box and one for the cup. So your final total just comes out to be just 32 cents or 16 cents each. Here we have the Rice-A-Roni for $1.88. Now there is a $1 off a 2 coupon, but you have to buy a rotisserie chicken with it. So you're just gonna pay $1.88. There is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making your final price just $1.13 for a package of rice. Here we have the Celestial Tea. There's 5 tea bags per pack for $1.24. You'd pay $1.24. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so your final total for one of them is just 24 cents. I'm getting the riced veggies and the cauliflower for $2.48. There's currently a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.48, which is a great thing to use for some meals. We're gonna do the Annie's pasta for $1.18. You'd pay $1.18, but then there is a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta, making your final price for a box just 98 cents. Here we have the Campbell's soup for $1.98. There was a printable, and I think it's still available for 75 cents off the coupons.com website. You'll end up just paying $1.23, but there's actually a 25-cent rebate for the soup, and then there's a 10-cent any rebate, so these count as 2 rebates. So your grand total just comes out to be just 88 cents for one of these. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys what I got at Walmart. There are some deals that I did not do on camera because number one, I was on a time crunch because one of the rebates was ending in like 30 minutes. And number two, my daughter was just getting a little antsy. If you guys saw her, she was kind of walking around because she didn't want to sit in the cart any longer. So there are some deals that I did not do. But I needed 23 rebates to do this deal. There was a couple things that I wanted to get, but my store was sold out. Otherwise, I would have been happier if we had those in stock, but they didn't. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. So if you guys need to get any of these bonuses, you definitely want to go ahead. So I had that, the candy corn bonus where you needed 40 rebates. So between last week at Walmart and this week at Walmart, I hit all 40 rebates. I don't even think, I maybe did 1 or 2 at Walgreens the past weekend. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. So I'm just gonna grab it as I go. So this is the Always, I keep saying Kotex. This is the Always, and this was the 3-pack. Now the coupon that we have is for a 4 count and higher, so you cannot use the coupon for this, but you could just pay the regular price for this, which is $3.97. You'll end up getting a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this $1.97. So I have yet to try this. I don't know if this is like, I think this is just like yeah, it's disposable, so one and done. So this is like perfect for traveling if you guys need stuff like that when you travel. I ended up doing the Green Giant riced veggies in the cauliflower. Really like this. I've actually made a meal where I've used this and then I got broccoli and then we put some cheese and stuff on it and some chicken, and it was really good. I think I even have a video posted of what that meal was, but this is actually really good to use. So these were $2.48. You'd pay $2.48 for it, but then there's a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.48. So not the greatest deal, but hey, you know, if it's a meal that I can make with my family, I'm totally happy with that. Because cauliflower is supposed to be really, really good for you. So, I'm just going to grab a couple things out of this bag. Okay, so the next deal I got is I ended up just doing the regular CoverGirl because I think the Clean Beauty is for the pink makeup. So I got it this way, and the coupon scanned just fine. So this was $5.94, and I used a $2 off coupon for this. You'd pay $3.94 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.94. So I want to try this anyways because I've been using L'Oreal facial stuff in between this one and then the Maybelline. I want to end up using something else to see how well I like it because I get that stuff all the time. The next deal I got is the Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat. So as I was recording this, I realized that I read the coupon wrong. So these were $1.88, and I thought the coupon was $1 off of 2, but it says $1 off of 2 and a rotisserie chicken, even though the picture does not show a rotisserie chicken. So make sure you guys read that. But anyways, I got this. You'd get a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.13. So it's an okay deal, but if you guys need something on the go, my husband might eat this stuff. I know sometimes those one Knorr rice people, everybody thought that stuff tasted like crap, so we'll see what this one tastes like. But yeah, ended up getting the Kotex liners. These were $2.97. Used a $1 off printable coupon from coupons.com. You would pay $1.97 for this, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, and there is a $2 bonus. I don't know why they do that, but you get a $2 bonus when you purchase it also. So this ends up becoming a 53-cent moneymaker. So you guys will get this for free, and you make a profit. Like I said, I was really scrounging to get the 23 rebates. Number one, a lot of the stuff I had written down my store did not have. So kind of sad, but that's okay. So I ended up getting this eyeliner. This is $4, and this is eyebrow pencil. No, iPencil. This was $4.44. I used a $2 off coupon. You would pay $2.44 for this, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 44 cents. So pretty decent deal if you guys need to go ahead and use that. I ended up getting some Annie's macaroni and cheese. I'm actually excited to try this one. I know it's weird. My daughter loves macaroni and cheese, so maybe her trying the Annie's might taste a little different, maybe a little bit better. We will see. But this was $1.18. You'd pay $1.18 for this, but then there is a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta. It comes out to be just 98 cents. So, I mean, if you can think about it, 98 cents to feed like at least 2 or 3 people, I think that's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Okay, I got some more things. One deal I totally forgot to write down was the Coke deal. I think this is like $1.58 or $1.78, and there's like a 25-cent rebate with this. I totally forgot. I didn't write it down, and I totally forgot to write it down. But if you guys need that, I kind of did that as a filler item. I also got some orange juice because I thought maybe my kids might want to start drinking some juice. This was $2.98. You'd pay $2.98 for it, but then there's a 40-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.58. So not the greatest deal, but if you guys need some, you know, juice, that's a great deal to count as a bonus. Okay, I ended up doing, I'm just trying to grab a couple more things for you guys. Stuff that I have to put in pairs, because some of these deals you have to do together. You have to do together, right, Miss Paris? She's just staring at me. She's like, okay, I'm ready to jump on you. Okay. So, another deal I was going to do that this one ended in like 30 minutes was a Butterfinger deal. This was 88 cents. If you guys can get it for 88 cents, that's awesome. But this was, you pay 88 cents, but there's a 25-cent rebate with it, making it just 63 cents. So if you guys need to do that. Now, I ended up doing the Cheetos macaroni and cheese. I have yet to try these. I have yet to try them. And then I have the instant macaroni and cheese. These were both 96 cents. There is a $1 off a tube insert coupon that we got. You would just pay 92 cents for the both of these. But there is a 30-cent rebate for this one and a 30-cent rebate for this one, making it just 32 cents or 16 cents each. Again, my coupon did not scan, so they had to enter it in. So there was that. I ended up getting the Quaker oatmeal. This was, oh, what was this? $1.18. You'd pay $1.18 for this, but then there is a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it 83 cents. And these are perfect for like if you have to travel or something. These are perfect. And I've been craving oatmeal. I haven't had oatmeal forever. Another item that I just got because I needed another rebate was these M&Ms. I think they're a little bit overpriced, but I didn't want to go back into the back of the store to get some more stuff. So didn't write the price down for this. That's awesome. Totally forgot to write down the price for this. But there is a 25-cent rebate for this. So it comes out to be like a little over $1, but not the greatest deal. I ended up doing, I'll have all that stuff written down in the printable breakdown for you guys. I ended up getting the Celestial Tea for $1.24. You'd pay $1.24, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, 24 cents. 24 cents. I ended up doing the Campbell's Double Noodle Soup. This was $1.98. I used a 75-cent off printable coupon. Then you would end up paying just $1.23. But then there's a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta. And then I had a 10-cent rebate for soup. This comes out to be just 88 cents. So 88 cents is an okay deal. Again, a great item to take on the go for you guys. Now, this isn't a deal I was super excited for. I really wanted to get the buttermilk pancakes. But I didn't. Only the original was included. So one of these was, the pancake mix was $2.64 and the syrup was $2.92. Now this used to be Aunt Jemima brand, but they changed it to the Pearl Milling Company. So just giving you guys a heads up. But anyways, I used $1 off a 2 insert coupon that I think we got from the September 12th Smart Source. I was so excited I had one of those coupons. I'm like, yes! You'd pay $4.56 for this, but there is each a $1 deal for each of these. Comes out to be just $2.56 or $1.28. Perfect because I needed, oh, it says Aunt Jemima right here on the bottle. I needed more syrup, and I love pancakes. I'm currently going to be doing my pantry this weekend, and I'm so excited to put all this stuff in my little pantry. So excited. So I got that, and then I got one more bag to share with you guys. I ended up doing the Febreze. Why does this feel like it, like, oh, my hands are all fresh now. So this was $8.84. I used a $3 off printable coupon from the Febreze. You can just go to Lozo, L-O-Z-O, type in Febreze in wash, and it'll take you directly to the website. But you would end up paying $5.84 for this. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $3.84. I actually use this for a lot of my clothes. My husband's clothes, because he always has this weird, like, grime smell sometimes. And it's just like, ugh. So anyways, but they did have a $2 off hang tag coupon. And that expires on December 31st, 2022. So if you guys need that. But this is a great thing that you can add to your laundry if you guys need to add some extra scent to it. My husband really likes this Kill Cliff brand of drinks, so they changed all the flavors. So I ended up getting him Smashing Citrus. So this was $2.48. You'd pay $2.48 for this, but there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.48. So need that. And then I ended up getting the Irish Spring Body Wash. This was $3.43. I used a $1 off insert coupon. Paid $2.43, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 93 cents. So 93 cents is a great deal. And then I have the last item to share with you guys is the Nivea Breathable Lotion. Now this was $5.84. There is a $2 off insert coupon. I did not have it, so I had a $2 off printable coupon from coupons.com. Paid $3.84, but I actually had a $3 rebate with Ibotta. So this comes out to be just 84 cents. 84 cents for this bottle of Nivea. So pretty excited with that. So that was everything that I got. I wanted to get more of the 5-star envelopes, or the folders, but my store was sold out. The Just Crack Egg, my store did not have that product. And then I wanted to get the Del Monte Fruit, but my store does not carry that product at all, period. My store is completely sold out of the Trident packs. They don't have those anymore. I don't know if they're ever going to restock them. I don't know. And then the Airwick ended in the middle of the night. So got those. So my grand total came to $50.72 for all that stuff. With Ibotta, I received $21.50 back. I received the $10 candy corn bonus. I also received the Weekend Warrior for $5, which I needed 15 rebates. I also received the $2 Kotex bonus. So I didn't have any swag bucks. I didn't do any shop kicks. I didn't do any of that stuff, which is kind of sad. But anyways, I got 23 items. 23 items for $12.22 and just 53 cents each. So the thing is, we have it all in our head that we have to have everything free. Everything free, everything cheap. It's good that way, and it's great to make money makers. It is. But I think for $12 for everything I got, I think that's a pretty great deal, considering everything is like $2 to $3 each. I mean, I got breakfast, we got pancakes and orange juice, we got some rice stuff. So $12.22 is not my greatest haul, but I'm still very happy with the 23 items that I had. Like I said, I needed 23 rebates, and I got the 23 rebates. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.